loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and yesterday was actually my birthday, so this is my birthday weekend, and I thought there was no better time or opportunity to open up all these boxes than for my birthday. We were out of town in Spain for like a month, so all these boxes piled up and I just never got around to opening them, so I thought there is no better time than now, than my birthday weekend, than my birthday to open them. So that is what this video is going to be. It's like my birthday unboxing video. It'll be fun. So let's go ahead and jump right in, but before we do that, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you guys never miss out on a video. I talk about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle here, so go ahead and do that. Okay, now let's open up all these boxes. This one says time sensitive, and I don't know why. Let's see. The first package is from Emily Cordon, and they are Miracle Lip Balms. And the colors, Rose, Powdered Rose, and St. Bart's. Woo! This is awesome. This is the other half of my Shoe Dazzle order that happened to come after I got back from Spain. I wanted to take it with me, but it's here now. I'll wear this for my birthday tonight. Ooh, we got an oversized like cardigan sweater. That could be fun. We have an off-the-shoulder white top. We have a ruffle bodysuit, a blush bodysuit. Looks like a package from Glow Recipe. We have Pineapple Bright. This package is introducing the Pineapple C Bright Serum for brightening and smoothing. Their packaging is always so adorable. Okay, I'm excited to try that. I really like Glow Recipe. It's really a fun little brand. Ooh, we got some Chinese laundry shoes. Yes! Oh my gosh, maybe I'll wear these tonight too. I just have my outfit all picked out. Ah, look how cute. Oh, I'm gonna wear these so much. We have some hair products from Marc Anthony. It is their Big Volume Thickening Shampoo, and it looks like their whole line. Can always use some hair products, so this will come in handy. Oh, I was like, what is this? It's a little backpack. Okay, let's see what's inside. These are called Lip Fuels, and these are by, how do you say it? Kosas? Kosas. Anyways, these are their lip fuels, and it's hyaluronic lip balms, and they're tinted, which is always cute. You guys know I love Skin Fix. Their hand creams are my, like, I'm obsessed. So this is the Skin Fix Consciously Clean Clinically Active, and this is exclusively at Sephora. This is their foaming oil cleanser, and this is their antioxidant redness treatment called the Redness Recovery. So I'm very excited to try this because I absolutely love Skin Fix, and I'm excited they're now at Sephora. Looks like we got some goodies from This Works. So we have a little mug that says Wake Up Well. So this is the Wake Up Well collection from This Works. Targets morning skin concerns and wake up well with clinically proven natural skin solutions to help restore your morning glow. Boom. Oh, perfect. So we have multi-acid pads for morning breakouts and to perk up your skin. And then in here we have like, oh my gosh, it looks like a little lunchbox. We have the Morning Expert Vitamin C Power Mask. We have the Morning Expert Open Eyes and their hyaluronic serum. Guys, you have no idea how happy Sawyer is I'm doing this. I've had a pile of boxes by the front door for like 3 weeks now. So, needless to say, very, very happy I'm doing this. Oh, today is Daylight Savings. Well, that happened a while ago. It's better known as National Dry Shampoo Day. This package is by Chlorine Botanical Care. We have some dry shampoo with needle, dry shampoo with oat milk, and some dry shampoo with oat milk. Okay, so one's a gentle formula. Got it. I am set on the dry shampoo front. All right, I'm gonna get this big box out of the way. Ugh. It's not heavy. Hold up, peeps. Yay! Oh, I'm gonna have to straighten that out, but oh my god, amazing! Cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that, but we can do that. So this box is from Amuse Society, and I can't remember the name of the brand of this hat. I will link it down below, but they do some really, really cute hats. Oh, this will be perfect for Hawaii next month. Okay, I have a white flowy top, a white button-down top. That top I just showed you goes with these cute little linen shorts, so it's like a cute little matching linen outfit. And this hat, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to flatten it out. If anybody has any tips on how to like flatten out a straw hat, let me know. Struggling. Woohoo! So we just got a box from Playa Haircare. So we got a new Day Mist 3-in-1 Refresh. They gave me a cute water bottle, some silk scrunchies. Yes! A silk pillowcase. I've been needing one of these. I haven't had one and I've been wanting one for my hair and now I have one. Yay! Best part about this is I really don't know what's in it anyways. So it is like the best birthday presents. It's like Christmas, birthdays. This box says, open me. Oh, wow. As you can see, this is from Clairol and how cute. So they gave me some hair colors. They have a cute little comb. They have a message in a bottle, and is that a real coconut? What do we got here? A candle, a coconut candle. It smells like the tropics. It smells so good. It says, hi Angelique, enjoy the goodies from Shh Silk. Hope you love them, Catherine. 1 paddle brush, 1 teasing comb, and 1 boar bristle massage hairbrush. I've used one of these brushes before and they feel so good. They really do massage your hair and they actually stimulate hair growth. So maybe look into one of these if you want that like I do. Next up we have something from TDE, which is the Daily Edit. And it says, Angelique, hope you love your new custom case. Oh, that is so cute. Look, it is a little case with my initials on it. I like that a lot. Then we have a pair of Be Cool glasses. Key glasses, cute. And then I can also see you this way. Cute. I freaking love La Roche-Posay. What do we have? We have their Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, as well as their Triple Repair Face Moisturizer with sunscreen in it, which I will probably bring with me to Hawaii because you never have too much sunscreen on your face. Wear it every day, kids. Wear it every day. Every day. Talking to you, Sawyer. I would have laughed really hard if he responded to me. So this box is absolutely beautiful. It is by Molten Brown. Aw, cute. Such a cute little card. It says, Dear Angelique, get ready for spring with our new beauty lineup. And it is the new Suede Oris is their new collection. And here we have a shower gel, we have a body lotion, we have a hair mist, and we have a perfume. This next package I actually ordered because I really wanted it. This is actually from Savon's collection with Strut This. And I've been wanting a really, really cute white cropped hoodie for so long. And when I saw her wearing it, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna order it because I really want it. So I did. And it is just a cutoff white sweatshirt and it has like a bigger sleeve. And every time she wore it, I was like, I think I want that. So when she did her pre-order, I got it and now it arrived and now I get to wear it. Next we have a package from Adina Jewels. Cute. Okay, so we have some little safety pins that you can put in your ears, little huggy, really gorgeous ring, and we have some sparkly earrings. I really like wearing silver, and I love Adina stuff. I've been wearing it for years. Guys, I accidentally got sent 2 of these Clairol packages, so I'm gonna give one of them away. So to enter, I'm gonna make it super simple. All you're gonna have to do is comment down below that you want to be entered into the giveaway, and then on Instagram, either share my YouTube or my Instagram and just share it with your audience, and I will pick a winner, and I'll probably just pick it next Sunday. So you'll have a week to enter this giveaway. Super simple. Just share it and you will be entered. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just received, guys, I didn't know this was coming. Guys, I just received the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. All right, so in here, I just pulled off the cover. We have the Game of Thrones, I'm gonna guess palette. Oh my gosh, look it. There's just so much happening. So it looks like this is the palette, and then on the sides, how freaking cool. And then in the drawer we have a highlight palette, we have some lipsticks, we have some eyeliners, I have Game of Thrones makeup brushes. Urban Decay, I freaking love you, and I love this collab, and I love Game of Thrones. I'm one happy girl tonight. Maybe I'll do my makeup just for Game of Thrones tomorrow. That is really cool. Something from Revlon. It says, introducing Revlon's new brush collection. Oh, cool. So it comes in a mesh bag. This is a cool little makeup roll. It's just a rubber pad. It has all the brushes. They feel really nice. So all the information actually comes on the towel. They are vegan and perfect for all skin types. They are synthetic bristles and antibacterial coating to help keep the brushes clean. Yay, we have some Sally Hansen products. This is my color palette, guys. So we have the Sally Hansen Miracle Gels. These will be great for traveling because a lot of the times if we're gone for so long, I don't like to get my nails done because I can't get them redone. So it'll be nice to just travel with the nail polish that stays. Guys, some shoes arrived. These are PS821s. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These are cool. Guys, look, they are some silver tennis shoes. Oh my gosh, how fun are those? We have some goodies from Amore Pacific. It says your transformation awaits. So in here we have their treatment enzyme peel cleansing powder, as well as their treatment enzyme peeling mask. Anything enzyme, I'm all about. Guys, this is so fun to do on your birthday. It was perfect timing. I'm so glad I waited. Oh, yay! So I have some goodies for my friends over at Ensemble. I freaking love their stuff. So we have some pink little joggers. It says, Angelique, thank you for your support. You are a dream. We hope you enjoy your sweat set and continue to enjoy what we come out with. Love, Team Ensemble. And then we have a pink crew neck sweatshirt with a white stripe down the side. You guys know I live for matching sets, so excited about that one. Guys, we just got some shoes from P448. Cute, look at these. They have a suede toe, they have a pink rubber around the bottom, they're white, and they have leopard on the back. Those are so cute. Oh, excited to wear those. And they'll go perfect with my new sweat outfit. That's fun.
Oh my god. Sorry, all you gotta say that. Oh my gosh.
I know. Yeah, I'll need your help later. You guys should see this room.
Can they know? Oh my gosh. They can't see the room.
Showing you guys what the room actually looks like. This is the reality of the situation.
Those are my feet.
Mind you, I've stuffed all the boxes in here, so this is like good. Best birthday ever. Wait, look how cool. Wait, I wanted to show them this because this is just amazing. Look.
No way.
Right? Right?
Whoa.
The palette, look at that.
Wow.
Is that not cool? Look at Winterfell, King's Landing,
Oh, wow.
Bay of Dragons. Oh.
All I can say, that's really cool. That's like so, whoever marketed that, congratulations. That's great.
Look at this too.
No way.
Look at my new makeup brushes. They're swords.
No one ever makes camera lenses packaged like this.
No, well.
Get cameras in cool boxes.
Isn't this cool though?
That is really cool.
Okay, do you want to open this one?
Yeah, I'll open this one.
All right.
A pink fog is coming. Is that like winter? Oh, it's a thing to put pens in. Right?
That's what it does look like.
For school? Is that not it?
I don't know if it does look more like a pencil holder. But you continue. It says, hi Angelique, so excited for you to try our new Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist and the latest
It's the mask.
edition. Glow recipes. Yep, friendly.
This is the mist.
Yep. Oh, look at you.
And juice. This is what you guys do, right? I don't think that works. Looks like a watermelon, in case you guys wanted to know.
Perfect. You did great, babe.
Thanks. All right, I'm out of here.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Aloe Yoga. It says, hi Angelique, we cannot get enough of our ripped warrior leggings and think they will seamlessly move with you from the studio to the streets. Love Aloe. They know me so well. Cute. Cute. They are just a pair of ripped leggings. Awesome. Love my Aloe Yoga. Last package, guys. We have made it. We have made it. Oh my god, no way. I have been wanting this. It is the new Face Trinity. This is so cool. This is such an amazing tool. This is a facial toning kit for improved facial contour, skin tone, and wrinkle reduction. You have a little tool that looks like this, and it's rechargeable, and you can actually contour your face with, I want to say it's like a micro, what is the word? Microcurrent? Yeah. Oh, a microcurrent. I was right. Okay. So it is fitness for your face. Skincare is your nutrition. Microcurrent is your exercise. Microcurrents contour and tones the face. So this actually helps like with lifting your face up, and I have tried it and it works. So I'm very, very, very excited to have this. This is like the perfect gift for turning 25. It's like, oh, you're getting older? Well, let's give you something to work out your face. Which I'm totally okay with. This is amazing. Well, that is it. Those are all the boxes that I have not opened over the last like almost month and a half now. I am so glad I waited for my birthday. This is literally like the best birthday I could have ever asked for. Like, that was so many amazing gifts. So I'm glad I waited, and I'm glad I opened them with you guys. So if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to enter that giveaway. It is super simple. Since I have double, I would love to give one of them to you guys. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!